Hey folks, what's up? In the last few years, ECMAScript has introduced many new features in JavaScript. One of them is a generator. Let's look at them to become a JavaScript tool. A generator in JavaScript is a function that after the function keyword adds a star. It's not possible to create generator in JavaScript using arrow function. Generator are special functions that implement the iterable interface very simply. You can learn more about them in my previous video. The particularity of generator is the yield keyword. Using the yield, we can return a value to the iteration, but without ending the function execution, which will wait for the next request for the next value until it's not completed. As you can notice, the ring generator is a simple generator function, and it's understandable from the start near the function. Using a simple while, the function checks if the current value is less or equal to the end value, and if true, using the yield return the value, else exit from the while and close the generator. Like iterators, also generator only run once someone calls the next method. Like iterator, also generator can be combined. For instance, we can create a generator map function that accepts an iterator and a transformation function, and return the computation inside the transformation with the value emitted by the generator. And that's the result. Okay folks, now you have all the notion to work with generator in JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you like it, please bump the like button below. And if you wanna stay updated with my content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye!